I've attached the wheels on the bottom plate right under the bottom step, which will be right about there. And initially I was gonna center the wheels like right about there, but then I realized I have these pedals that lock the wheels in place, so I had to bring the plate of the wheel up to here, so they are basically in line with the bracket, so it will still leave enough room for the foot to kind of operate the lock each individual wheel. And I wasn't happy with the screws that the wheels came with, which were these right here, and I didn't like because they had the tapered head and they came with a washer, so it's kind of counterproductive. So I used a different type of screw, which were these right here, which are flat head, and they had a built-in washer, but I still used the washer that these came with. So I think it will provide a better better, you know, support for the bracket for the wheel. And then I'll probably have another set of steps or wheels that will attach to the rear rails or stringers, and these will actually be cut right about here in line with the floor line. Will fold up, and then somehow the other wheels will be attached, so then when these are folded up, it will allow all four wheels to be on the floor level, and the ladder can be rolled up and down, left to right. So yeah, can't wait to be done with this and then show you guys an update, because the whole point of the ladder to be on four wheels will allow the ladder to kind of roll out of the way so people can freely walk up and down on this little hallway. So that's where the progress is at right now. Catch you guys later.